Hurricane Dorian, packing sustained winds close to 300 kilometers per hour, is battering the Bahamas. This is one of the most powerful storms to hit this nation and is predicted to linger for hours with coastal surges in excess of 6 meters. Despite pleas, some residents have decided to ride the storm out, a decision officials say could put their lives at risk.
That is not a good idea. We are asking you to reconsider that decision and to seek shelter in the west, or alternatively, before the weather becomes too severe, to come into Freeport. This is not a time for us to seek to resist.
Forecasters say Dorian should turn north, hugging the east coast of Florida once it passes over the Bahamas, but risks remain. Florida, Georgia and the Carolinas are making last-minute preparations. Even if Dorian remains on its predicted path, strong winds, heavy rains and storm surges could have a catastrophic impact. Even the slightest deviation with a storm this large, ferocious and slow-moving could be deadly.
This storm at this magnitude could really cause massive destruction, and do not put your life in jeopardy by staying behind when you have a chance to get out. And you still do have time to prepare yourself and to make sure that you and your family are safe.
States of emergency have now been declared in parts of Florida, Georgia and the Carolinas, and the dangers will remain for some time. The eye of Hurricane Dorian may remain off the coast of Florida, but much of the state is still inside the cone of uncertainty. From its formation, Dorian has surprised forecasters, strengthening significantly on Sunday morning. The first outer bands are expected here late on Monday and into Tuesday. All millions can do now is watch and wait as this huge storm creeps closer to the US. All eyes are on the Bahamas, with significant damages already being reported. The next few days could prove devastating.
I have brought everything but my house, which I still don't think I brought enough, but we don't know how long we're going to be here. So we have to take whatever precautions, having our water, whatever little nitpicks we can have, but I think the thing of being together here is not going to lie. No one should be alone.
Forecasters are warning that Dorian may slow down even as it grows in intensity. Some have described the storm as textbook. Others say it's a lingering monster that will threaten lives for days. Andy Gallagher, Al Jazeera, Miami, Florida.
I see one. Oh.